Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your Instagram private. If you're using Instagram and you want to make your Instagram account private, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile by tapping on profile option in the bottom right. Now simply tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and here you'll get the option of account privacy. You must have to select that option and you'll see toggle through enable private account. You must have to enable that toggle and then select switch to private and your account will be private. Or if you are using a public or a professional account, so you might not be able to switch to private account. So I'm going to open my Instagram app again and here go to profile option and you can see now I have a private account or I have a business account now. As you can see this professional dashboard and now I'm going to make it private. So just tap on the horizontal lines in the top right. Now just select the account privacy option and here you will get the option of private account. You must have to enable that and then tap on switch to private. Now here you can see that creator account can't be private. If you're using a creator account or a business account, you are unable to switch it to private. Now to do that, you have to very first switch your account type. So go back from here, select creator tools and controls, select switch account type, and here select switch to personal account. So once you have switched your account to personal account, now you will be able to make it private. So just refresh, or I recommend you have to try to relaunch your Instagram app. So close it and then relaunch it or reopen it. Tap on your profile option in the bottom right, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. And here select account privacy and enable that toggle. So in this way, you can easily make your Instagram account private. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.